Queen of the Berlin girls. Queen of the Berlin girls.
I'm so honored and pleased that we can really be in Berlin celebrating MAXMARA with the Resort 20 collection.
She's got me doing double takes. She's stronger than a sailor. Supreme señorita.
I love MAXMARA. I just think it is such a classic, timeless, iconic brand. The pieces are pieces that stay in your wardrobe forever.
Leading through neon lights, tranquilizers. Every boulevard's a disco in this town.
I enjoyed it tremendously. It was full, it was rich. It went on and on and on and on. It was set in a beautiful location. There's so much to love about it.
As fierce as the wildlife, the Queen of the Berlin girls.